Hello, welcome to my recorded classes. This video we are discussing a tutorial from the course Mathematics for Computing from the topic 1.1 to 3.1. That means from the first module to third module first section. It is just a review of these topics. Okay, what are the highlights from each section? We will discuss one question from here. So before starting the classes, please subscribe my channel for getting more recorded classes. So these are the topics 1.1, 1.2, then from second module 2.1 to 2.7 and third module 3.1 section. Okay, so let's start the topic. See the first question. If the vector u equal to 4i plus j minus 3k and vector v equal to pi plus qj minus 2k are collinear vectors, then what are the possible values of p and q? That is the question. What are the values of p and q? If these two vectors are collinear, you know what is the meaning of collinear? We are discussing in 1.1 section. Two vectors are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. What is the condition for the collinear? One vector, okay, vector v or vector u, okay, one of the vector u for example, equal to a scalar, a scalar number multiply second vector. Okay, if you are writing like this, then these two vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, so one vector equal to a scalar, a number multiply with the second vector means that two vectors are collinear vectors. Now you can see here what are the vectors given. Vector u equals 4i plus j minus 3 vector k, correct? 4 times vector I plus j minus 3k. So if you are writing this vector in component form, okay, x component is 4. X component means I behind number and j behind number is 1, k behind number minus 3. So this is the component form or ordered triple, okay, representation of this vector in order triple. Now same way vector v, we can write it as equal p times vector I plus q times vector j minus 2 times vector k, where I, j, k are unit vectors along x direction, y direction and z direction. So you can see what are the numbers in the component form, these vectors, correct? P and q and minus 2, correct? So these two are the vectors in component form. Now from this component form, okay, we need to show here these two vectors are collinear vectors. So what is the condition? One vector equal to a scalar multiple of second vector. So we can write vector u. What is vector u here? 4, 1, comma minus 3 equal to a number k multiply the second vector. What is the second vector? P, q and minus 2. Okay, it is already collinear. Now we need to calculate what are the p values and q values. Okay, now from here you can see equal to k multiplied to inside to this component. Okay, so k multiply p, k p and k multiply q and minus 2 multiply k equals here the vector 4, 1 and minus 3, correct? Now what is given here? What is getting here? This vector equal to this vector, correct? Equal means the first component should be same, second component should be same and third component should be same. What are the first component? 4 equal to k multiply p, correct? Here the first component is 4, here the first component is k multiply p. Now second component 1 equal to k multiply q and third one minus 3 equals minus 2 multiply k here. Now from this just to find what are the p values and q values. Okay, so for that just we can start from the last one, minus 3 equal to minus 2k, correct? Minus 3 equal to minus 2k. So from here we can find what is the k number. Both side we can divide by minus 2. So minus 3 divided by minus 2. So that we are getting k equal to 1.5, correct? K equal to 1.5. Now if you are applying the k value in the first one, 4 equals 1.5 multiply k, correct? Sorry, 1.5 multiply p. K value is 1.5. So from here you will get what is the p number. What we do, 4 divided by 1.5, divide both sides by 1.5, so that we will get p number. So what will be the p number? P equals 2.67 approximately, 2.67 p number, correct? Now similar way from here q number we are getting, okay? So what we will do for that, 1 equal k number is 1.5 multiply q. So q number equal to, divide both side by 1.5. So 1 over 1.5 equals, we are getting 0.67 approximately the value of q, okay? So in this question we need to calculate what is p and q, that is the question. So what is the p value here? P value we got 2.67 and q value we are getting 0.67. So this is the content of that question. If that two vectors are collinear, what are the possible values of p and q here? Now the same question we can do another way. Let me give another easy way to answer this question. See, as we discussed, vector u equals in component form 4, 1 and minus 3, correct? And vector v also in component form we can do like p, q and minus 2, correct? Now this question, these two vectors are collinear, as I told you. What are the possible values of p and q, correct? Now two vectors are collinear means if the ratio of their corresponding coordinates are equal. That means ratio of the corresponding coordinates means what are the x coordinate? You can see here 4 and here it is p, correct? 4 and p. So what is the ratio of these two coordinates? 4 divided by p, okay? And what are the y coordinate? You can see here 1 and here q. So the ratio of these two coordinate means y coordinate is 1 over q, and same way z coordinate minus 3 divided by minus 2, correct? Now these three ratios should be same. That is the meaning of collinear. 4 divided by p equal to 1 divided by q equal to minus 3 divided by 2. That means 4 divided by p equals 1 divided by q equals, minus 3 divided by 2 means 1.5, correct? 1.5. So this is the ratio. Now from this ratio, take the first one with the last one, okay? First one with the last one. That means 4 divided by p equal to 1.5, okay? And same way second and last you can take together. 1 over q equal to 1.5, okay? So from these two you will get what are the p values and q values. For example, here p value means if you cross multiply, okay, p to there and 1.5 to here down. So p equals 4 divided by 1.5, and here same way q cross multiply to next side and 1.5 coming to the downside. So 1 over 1.5 equal to q we are getting, correct? So when we are using calculator, for example 4 divided by 1.5, that means 2.67 approximately, 2.67, that is the p value. And same way 1 divided by 1.5 means approximately 0.67, 0.67 equal to q, correct? So this way also we are getting the same answer only, p and q values. So we can do some multiple choice questions, or we can answer like this easily. Collinear vectors means the ratios of the components will be same. So we will get firstly what are the p values and possible q values. Hope you understood this question. Okay, now let me go to the next question. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the image. Coordinate means x coordinate and y coordinate of the image of 13,4 under the translation. Okay, translation. We are studied in 2.7 section, translation, rotation, reflection, many ideas. So under the translation, xy to x plus 5, y minus 2. That means if you have a point 13, 4, this is the x point, this is the y point, 13 and 4, correct? So here see, for example, in the figure, this is the point 13, 4. We need to translate this point. We need to move to this point under using this translation x plus y, y minus y, x point translate 5, y point minus 2, translate minus 2, correct? So that means x point move to plus 5 like this. This is the x direction. Y direction move minus 2. Minus 2 means going down. So what about the resulting point, translation point we are getting? That is what our question. So it is simply we can do translation already given. See, x comma y gives, what is the translation we need to do? X plus 5 comma y minus 2, correct? So what is the x number here? X number is 13. So 13 plus 5, x direction we are moving 5 and y direction we are moving minus 2. What is the y number here? Y number is 4. So 4 minus 2, correct? X and y given in the question. So what is 13 plus 5? 18, comma 4 minus 2 means 2. So under that translation, where we are getting the point? The translated point is 18, comma 2 here. So that is the point here. You can see that picture. That point is marked there. This is the point 18, comma 2 here. So this is what our question, content of this question here. Okay, now let me go to the third question. If determinant of x2 minus 1, 2, 5x minus 1, 2x equal to 0. Okay, if the determinant value equal to 0, find the value of x. That is the question. What is the value of x if determinant equal to 0? Determinant equal to 0 means what we are calling singular matrix, correct? Determinant equal to 0. If a matrix is singular, determinant will be equal to 0, correct? Yeah. So this question, what we need to do, if it is determinant 0, what is the value of x? Okay, so we will go to calculate this determinant. Here I am using the Saras method or cross multiply rule for finding the determinant. We can use the expansion by minor also, because 3 by 3 matrix determinant we can calculate it two way. One is the Saras rule, cross multiply like that, and the second one by using method by expansion by minors. Okay, so I am using this the Saras rule. So x2 minus 1, 2, 5x minus 1, 2 and x. Okay, now first column and second column we are repeating. x2 minus 1, 2, 5 and 2. First and second column we are repeating, equal to, what is the answer? 0, correct? Now we are starting the simplification. First 3 bracket we are writing plus, then another 3 bracket we are minus, okay, equal to 0, correct? Now how we are doing the cross arrow mark? Okay, starting from the top here, down arrows we are marking. X multiply 5 multiply x, correct? X multiply 5 multiply x, that means 5x power 2, 5x power 2, correct? Now 2 multiply x multiply minus 1, so we will get minus 2x. Now the third arrow here going down, minus 1 multiply 2 multiply 2, minus 4. Okay, now same way top arrows we are doing. So down arrows always we are writing plus plus plus. Now top arrow starting from here, minus 1 multiply 5 multiply minus 1 means 5. Now from here 2 multiply x means 2x power 2, and here x multiply 2 means 4x equal to 0. I hope you understood that step. Okay, top arrows we are putting minus sign. Now simplify here, you can simplify one by one. Here 5x power 2, here minus 2x power 2. 5x power 2 minus 2x power 2 means 3x power 2, correct? Now here minus 2x, here minus 4x. Minus 2x minus 4x means minus 6x. Now here minus 4 minus 5, that means minus 9 equal to 0. From this you can calculate what is x value. By using calculator you will get x number. X number equal to 3 and minus 1. You know how to do that one, we have discussed it before. You can press the mode button. After that EQN, equation number 5. After that we can use ax power 2 plus bx plus c, that is number 3. After that, apply the A number, B number and C number. A number is 3, B number is minus 6, C number is minus 9. So that you will get what is the X number, correct? X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 1. Hope you understood that one. Now, we will go to the next question. Here, find X cross Y. If X equal to set A, B, C and Y equal to 0, 1, 2. Find the Cartesian product of X and Y. Set product, correct? Cartesian product of X and Y. X cross Y we need to calculate. X equal to set A, B, C. Y equal to 0, 1, 2. So, how to do that one? X cross Y equal the collection, the set. Okay, we have two set here. So, X cross Y members should be ordered pair. 2 set means ordered pair. 3 set means ordered triad or ordered triple, correct? Now, what we do, take the first number from the first set, that is A, comma, second number from second set, for example 0 here. Okay, now write all the possibilities. Okay, now again first number I am taking A, first number should be from the first set, second number should be the second set. So A, second number I am choosing the number 1. Then again A with the third number, that is 2, correct? So A possibility finished, A0, A1, A2. Now we go to the second number B here. So again B0 we can write and B1 we can write and B2 we can write, correct? Now after that go to the C number, C comma 0 and C comma 1 and C comma 2, correct? So these are the possibilities. How many numbers are there? 9 numbers are there. How we are getting this 9? You remember, number of elements of X multiply number of elements of Y. How many elements here? Number of elements of X set. X set we have 3 numbers. Multiply number of elements of Y also 3. So how many numbers will be in X cross Y? There should be 9 elements, correct? 9 elements in a X cross Y set, the Cartesian product of X and Y. I hope you understood that one. Now similar way we can do 3 set also. For example, if you are calculating X cross Y cross Z, correct? 3 set. So in this time what we are doing, it is ordered triple. First number from the first set, correct? First number from the first set, X number. Second number from the Y set, Y. Third number from Z set, correct? For example, see 1, 2, 3. 1 from the first X set, 2 from the Y set and 3 from the Z set, correct? So same like all the possibilities we are writing. What are the elements? It is coming this ordered triple. All the possibilities we can write here. So that collection is X cross Y cross Z here, correct? So we can practice. Already we did some question in 3.1 section. You can refer that one, how to calculate X cross Y cross Z here. Okay, now let me go to the next question. Represent the following set using the listing method. Listing method means the roster method. We studied in 3.1 section, roster method. Okay, represent the following set by using listing method. That means elements we need to write one by one. Okay, so what is this condition here? Set of all X such that X belongs to Z plus. Z plus means positive integers, correct? Z plus. Z means integers, top side plus means positive integers. So what are the positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it is going, correct? Now what is the condition? X square should be 9. The square of the number should be 9. X square should be 9, correct? X square 9 means what is the meaning? X equal to plus or minus root 9, correct? That means X equal to what we are getting? Plus or minus root 9 means 3, correct? So what are the X numbers? X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 3, correct? Now X equal to 3 and X equal to minus 3 when we are taking, minus 3 is not a positive integer, correct? Because we need to take only positive integers. So minus 3 is not a positive integer. So what will be the element in this set? X equal to 3, correct? So what answer we are writing? Equal to set 3 here. Only we need to take the positive integer. If there is no condition X belongs to Z plus means you can write both number. 3 and 3 minus. Okay, 3 and 3 minus. But here condition is there, x should be a positive integer. X should be belongs to z plus. Hope you understood this question. Now let me go to the next one. Let u equal to, u means the universal set, u equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 11, x equal to 5, 7, 9, 11 and y equal to 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. What is the question? Find x union y first. Okay, what is that set we need to calculate? Then x intersection y equal. Then x difference, x minus y equals. Then x symmetric difference y equal to. These 4 questions we need to answer. After that, write the answer using bit string representation. Okay, write the answer using the bit string representation. This is the question here we need to do. Okay, so let me start the question. First, x union y. Union means all the numbers, correct? Either in x or in y. Or union means or. So x and y set all elements together, right? Okay, not repeating the elements, but all the elements we are writing. So for example, x and y, what are the numbers? 4 is there, correct? 4 we can write. 5 is there, 5 coming 2 times, but only 1 time we are writing 5. Then 6, no, 7 is there, both. Okay, 7 1 time writing. 8 is there, 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there, correct? 8, 9, 10, 11. All the number we are writing together, that is the union. Okay, union of these two sets. Okay, now the second question, x intersection y. Intersection means only we are writing common elements. X and y should be in x and it should be in y. Common elements. So for example, what are the common elements here? 5. In both sets it is common. Then 7, it is common in both sets. Only these two numbers, 5 and 7. Other numbers are not common. So this is the x intersection y, correct? Now x minus y, x subtract y, correct? X subtract y means what we are doing. For example, x set 5, 7, 9, 11 minus what is the y set? 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, correct? Now we need to subtract these two sets. Subtract means x minus y means the elements in x. Only we are writing elements in x first set, but it should not be in y. Okay, if that element is coming in y means we need to delete. For example, 5, this number, it is coming in y, correct? 5 here, so we cannot write that element. 7, it is coming in y, so we need to cancel that one. What are the remaining numbers in x? That we need to write the answer. 9, 11. So x minus y means set of all elements in x. Okay, it should be in the set x, but it should not be in y set. Okay, so 4, 5 and 7 coming in y, so we need to delete that from x. Remaining x set we are writing 9 and 11. Hope you understood that one. Now we will go to the next one. X symmetric difference y. X symmetric difference y. What is the meaning? X symmetric difference y. For example, x set 5, 7, 9, 11. Symmetric difference. Y means 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10. Correct? Now what is the meaning symmetric difference actually? Just symmetric difference means the x set, that means the numbers are belongs to x union y, both set, but it should not be in intersection. So what you do now, just mark the intersection numbers. For example, 5 here and here are there, no need to write this one in symmetric difference. Okay, and 7 here is there and here also there, so we cannot write in x symmetric difference y set. Write all other element. Okay, so what are the elements we are writing? 4 we can write, then 8 we can write, 9 we can write, 11, 10 we can write, 11 we can write. I just write in the order, any order you can write, no problem. So symmetric difference means, okay, it belongs to x union y, both set, but it should not be in the intersection. Okay, intersection elements just cancel. So this is the answer we are getting. Now all these answer we need to write using bit string representation. That is the next question. All the answer we need to write by using bit string representation. For example, x union y. How to write the bit string representation we can see first. Okay, first check the universal set. What is the universal set here? 1 to 11. So I am just marking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Correct? Now, how we are doing this bit string representation is that, for example, 4, x union y set you can see 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct? 4 coming means in the fourth place put bit 1 bit. Fifth place put 1 bit. Seventh place put 1 bit. Then 8, then 9, then 10 and 11. Remaining bit we are putting 0. So here 0, 0, 0 and here 0. This is the bit string representing x union y. Okay. So write the universal set completely on the top and you can assign the bits. Okay. If it is belongs to x union y, you can write 1 bit. Other position you can write 0 bit. Now same like here also x intersection y. What is x intersection y? 5 and 7 only present. So 1 place we are putting 0. 2 place 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 place 1, 6 place 0, 7th place 1, 8 0, 9 0, 10 0, 11 0. Hope you understood. Now x minus y set, this set we can represent by using bit string. Okay, x minus y set, here is the answer, x minus y. 9 and 11 only. So 1th position 0, second one 0, third 0, 4 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 position 1, 10 0, 11 position 1. Okay, 9 and 11 is the member. So 9 and 11th position only 1. Now here lastly x symmetric difference y. Okay, how can we write bit string? So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the universal set. Now, where we are getting the elements, we can put 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is x symmetric difference y. So, 4th position we can put 1, 8th 1, 9th 1, 10th position 1, 11th position 1. All other positions 0. Here 0, 0, 0. Correct? That number only present, that 1 bit coming numbers. So this is the bit representation, bit string representation of the sets. Hope you understood that question. Okay, now let me go to the next question. Let u equal to vector 3, 4, 7. Vector u equal to vector 3, 4, 7. Vector v equal to minus 2, 3 and minus 5. Find the following. Find u dot v first, dot product of two vectors. Absolute of u, magnitude of vector u, magnitude of vector v, length of vector u, length of vector v. Find the angle between these two vectors. That is the question here. So first we will do what is u dot v, correct? What is u dot v actually? x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus z1, z2, correct? x1, y1, z1, that is the first vector. x2, y2, z2, that is the second vector. So how can we find the dot product? x1, x2, that is 3 multiply minus 2 plus y1, y2 means 4 multiply 3 plus z1, z2 means 7 multiply minus 5. So when we are calculating this one, you will get minus 29. Okay. Now second part of the question, magnitude of vector u. What is the rule for magnitude finding? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. Correct? That means equal to root of what is x number in u vector? U vector x number. So 3. X component is 3 square. Y component is 4 square plus z component is 7 square. So when we are using calculator, you will get root 74. Same way vector v equals in v vector x component, that means minus 2 square, y component 3 square, plus z component minus 5 square. Okay, so you can calculate the number, this value equal to root 38, we will get it, root of 38. Now the third part of the question, find the angle between the vectors. Okay, angle between the vectors. So angle between the vectors means we studied one rule, theta equal to cosine inverse of vector u dot vector v divided by absolute of vector u multiply absolute of vector v, correct? So cosine inverse of, okay, what is u dot v, we got minus 29 divided by absolute of u root 74 multiply absolute of v means root 38. Okay, so this is the angle between two vectors. You can check the answer in calculator. What is this? Cosine inverse, shift cosine. Okay, minus 29 divided by root 74 multiply root 38, or otherwise you can stop here also. That is the answer, theta. I hope we understood this question. Now next one, given that A equal to matrix 4 3 1 1, B equal to matrix 1 8 2 minus 3, C equal to 3 4 1 1, if A matrix plus A inverse matrix plus B matrix equal to K times C matrix. Okay, this is the condition here given in the question. Then what is the value of K? What is this number? K equal to how much? This is the question. Okay, A matrix is given, A inverse we need to calculate, inverse of the matrix A, correct? Then P plus B matrix equal to K times C matrix. What will be the K value? This is what our question we need to do. So first what we are doing is we are going to calculate what is A inverse matrix, this matrix A inverse. So for calculating A inverse matrix, first we need to calculate what is determinant of A, correct? Determinant of A equals determinant of, what is A here? 4 3 1 1. Now you know how to calculate this determinant. Just main diagonal number multiply, off diagonal number multiply, correct? Subtract. 4 multiply 1, main diagonal number multiply, minus off diagonal 1 multiply 3. You will get answer equal to 1. Now we can write what is A inverse. Okay, A inverse equal, what is A inverse? 1 divided by determinant of A, that is 1 here, multiply main diagonal numbers interchange. What are the main diagonal number in A? 4 and 1. So we can interchange, 1 write first, 4 write last. Off diagonal numbers put opposite sign. Off diagonal number means 3 and 1. So 3 opposite sign minus 3, 1 opposite sign minus 1, correct? So that is the A inverse matrix. Now 1 over 1 means 1. We can multiply to inside that 1. 1 multiplied to inside means you will get the same. 1 minus 3 minus 1 and 4. Correct? This is the A inverse matrix. Okay. Now we can apply here in our question. Now we can apply here. What is that? Our condition A plus A inverse plus B matrix equal to K times C matrix. Correct? Now what is A matrix? Apply 4 3 1 1 plus A inverse matrix, just now we calculated 1 minus 3 minus 1 and 4 plus B matrix given in the question 1 8 2 minus 3 equal to K times C matrix. What is the C matrix in the question? 3 4 1 and 1. Now simplify, you can simplify here. That means matrix, okay, first numbers add 4 plus 1 plus 1, that means 6. Second numbers add 3 plus minus 3 plus 8 means 8. Third numbers add 1 plus minus 1 plus 2 means 2. Fourth number 1 plus 4 5, 5 minus 3 means that is 2. Correct? equal to 2 equals k multiply 3, 4, 1, 1. K multiply, that means each element multiply by k. K multiply 3, 3k. K multiply 4, 4k. K multiply 1, k. Correct? Now, what we got here? This matrix equal this matrix. Correct? Equal to. So, what is the meaning of that one? First number should be same as the first number. Second number should be same. Third number should be same. Fourth number should be same. So, if we are taking the first number, 6 equal 3k. From here, you will get k number. Correct? K number equals, divide both side by 3. 6 over 3, that means 2 we will get it. This is the k value. You can take second number also. You can take third, fourth, any number. Third number you will get directly. See, 2 equal to k. K equal to 2 directly we are getting. So, this is what our question. Find the value of k. What is the k value? We got k value equal to 2 here. Hope you understood this question. Now, we will go to the next question. Find the matrix B. Given that A equal to 5, 2, 7, 3. B equal to 3x, y, 5. Okay, this matrix only we need to find in our question. Find the matrix B. In B, what happened? X number we don't know. Y number we don't know. If you go to these two number, we can write what is X matrix and what is Y matrix. Correct? So, this is what our question. Find the values of X and Y. Okay, A matrix is given and B matrix is given such that A multiply B equal to I matrix. I2. I2 means identity matrix of order 2. You know what is identity matrix? I matrix. Correct? So, what we need to do? A multiply B equal to I. What is the A matrix here? 5, 2, 7, 3. Correct? Multiply B. What is the B? 3, X, Y and 5. Equal to I matrix. I matrix means 1, 0, 0 and 1. Correct? Identity matrix of order 2. Now, first two matrix we need to multiply. A multiply B matrix. Okay, all of you know how to multiply two matrices. We are studied in 2.3 section. Equal to the identity matrix 1, 0, 0 and 1. Correct? Now, how we are going to multiply this one? Take the first row from the first matrix, row number 1. Multiply with the first column of the second matrix, column number 1. So, R1, C1, that is the first number. Row number 1 multiply column number 1. Then same row multiply with the second column, column number 2. That is R1 with C2, column number 2. After that, what we do? Go to the second row, row number 2 here, 7, 3. Correct? Multiply with the column number 1. Okay, so R2, C1. After that, R2, C2, second row with the column number 2. Okay, so these four number we need to calculate separately. Like first we need to do R1, C1. R1 means first row 5, 2. Multiply column number 1 means 3y. Correct? So what we do? First number with the first number. 5 multiply 3, 15 plus second number with the second number. 2 multiply y, 2y. Correct? So R1, C1, the first number we got. See here, matrix. Okay. First number we got 15 plus 2y. Okay. Now second number we need to calculate. R1, C2, first row with column number 2. What is the first row? 5, 2. Multiply column number 2, x, 5. Correct? So when we are multiplying, 5 multiply x, 5x. Plus 2 multiply 5, 10. So 5x plus 10. We can write here 5x plus 10. Okay. Now third elements R2, C1, second row. That means 7, 3 multiply column number 1 is 3y. So what will be the answer? 7 multiply 3, 21 plus 3 multiply y, 3y. Correct? Same way R2, C2, second row with the second column. Second row is 7, 3 and second column is x5. Okay, so we will get 7 multiply x, 7x, plus 3 multiply 5, 15, 7x plus 15. So I can write here the third member we got 21 plus 3y, last number we got 7x plus 15, correct, equal to the identity matrix 1, 0, 0 and 1. Now what we got here, this matrix equal to this matrix. So what is the meaning? Two matrices are equal. First number here should be same as the first number here, correct? So what is the first number there? 15 plus 2y equal to 1. Same way second number equal to second number. What are the second numbers? 5x plus 10 here, 0 here. 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Same third number equal to third number. Fourth number equal to fourth number. For example, here, from here, you can find x number or y number, correct? So, for example, here 2y equal 1 plus 15 take to next side means minus 15. 1 minus 15 means minus 14, 2y. Both sides divide by 2. So, what will be the y value? Minus 14 divided by 2, that means minus 7, correct? Now, from here we can find x value. What is the x value? 5x equals 0 here, 10 take to next side, minus 10, 0 minus 10, correct? So, x value both sides we can divide by 5. So, minus 10 over 5, minus 10 over 5 means minus 2. So, x number we got, y number we got, correct? Now, you can write what is the B matrix, correct? B matrix now we can write, that is what our question. 3x, y 5, x number we got, y number we got now. Now, I am going to write what is that B matrix. B matrix equals 3, x number we got minus 2, y number we got minus 7 and 5. So, this is what our question we need to do. What is the B matrix? Hope you understood this question. Okay, now let me go to the next one. If A is a singular matrix, if A is a singular matrix, then what is the value of x? All of you know what is the meaning of singular matrix, correct? What is the meaning? Determinant of A equal to 0. If a matrix is singular, then determinant A equal to 0. So, you know how to calculate determinant. Determinant of x, A means x to 18x equal to 0. Now, how we are calculating this determinant? Cross multiply. Main diagonal number multiply x minus off diagonal number multiply 18 multiply 2 equal to 0. X multiply x means x power 2 minus 18 multiply 2 means 36 equal to 0. That means x power 2 equal to minus 36 going to next side plus 36. So, what will be x? Plus or minus root 36, correct? So, what are the values of x possible? Plus or minus root 36 means 6. So, what are the x numbers? X equal to 6 and x equal to minus 6. Hope you understood this question. Okay, now this question, if A equal to matrix 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3, x plus 2 is a symmetric matrix. Okay, is a symmetric matrix. Then what is the value of x? Okay, x equal to how much? That is the question. Now, what is the meaning of symmetric matrix? Symmetric means when you are taking A transpose should be same as A. A transpose equal to A. That is the meaning of symmetric matrix. What is the A transpose here? Transpose. What is the meaning transpose? Write rows column wise. That means first row, write it as first column 3x minus 1. Second row, write it as second column 2x plus 3 x plus 2. This is the A transpose matrix. Equal to A matrix. What is A matrix? Same question, 3x minus 1, 2x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay, A transpose equal to A matrix. Now from this find x value. That means what is the condition here? This matrix equal to this matrix. When we are telling two matrices are equal, first number should be same as the first number. So 3 equal to 3, that is correct. Now second number should be same as the second number. Second number here 2x plus 3 should be equal to the second number here x minus 1. From this you can find x value. So 2x plus x take to next side minus x equal minus 1 plus 3 take to next side minus 3. X taken left side plus 3 go to the next side, correct? Now 2x minus x means x equal minus 1 minus 3 means equal to minus 4. So that is the answer. What is the x value here? X equal to minus 4. Now if you are taking another two numbers also, you will get the same answer only, x equal to minus 4. So I hope you understood the idea behind this question, symmetric. Okay, now this question, if x union y equal 15, number of elements, absolute means number of elements. Number of elements of x union y equal to 15. Cardinality of x equal to 10. Number of elements of x equal to 10. Cardinality of y equal to 7. Number of elements of y equal to 7. What is the question? Find the number of elements of x intersection y equal. This is the question. Okay. So for that we are studied one rule. You remember, relation connecting intersection and union. Number of elements of x union y equal to number of elements of x plus number of elements of y minus number of elements of x intersection y, correct? Just apply whatever the number given in the question. Number of x union y means 15 equals number of elements of x means 10 plus number of elements of y means 7 minus number of elements of x intersection y means, we need to calculate that one, number of x intersection y. So simplify, 15 equals 10 plus 7, 17 minus number of x intersection y. That means this one you can take to the left side. Number of x intersection y equal, because you can delete this minus if you are taking to the left side. So number of x intersection y equals 17 already here plus 15 go to the next side minus 15. 17 minus 15 means equal to 2. Okay, so just using that relation only, intersection and union. Okay, now let me go to the next one, this question. Assume that out of 2000 students, 400 enrolled in chemistry classes, 600 enrolled in physics classes, 100 enrolled in both. How many individuals enrolled in at least one of these classes? How many individuals are decided not to enroll any of these classes? How many people enrolled only in chemistry? These are the question. So here two subjects are involved. One is chemistry, correct? I can represent by C letter for chemistry, and another subject is physics. Physics I can represent by P letter. First letter I am using. If you want, you can use A letter, B letter, anything, no problem. So these are the notation. Now 400 enrolled in chemistry. What is the meaning? Number of students in chemistry equal to 400. Number of students enrolled in chemistry. 600 enrolled in physics means number of P equal to 600. Physics enrolled students. Correct? Now 100 are enrolled both. Both means, what is the meaning both? Either they are enrolled in chemistry or enrolled in physics. Or means, what is the meaning? Or union. Okay, so number of, sorry, not or, both means and, or not or, both means not either, both means students are enrolled in physics and chemistry. Okay, physics and chemistry, and means intersection. Keep in your mind intersection. Okay, and means intersection, because both, they should enroll both courses. Chemistry they should enroll, physics they should enroll, both. That means chemistry and physics. Okay, both. So number of chemistry intersection physics equals, how many it is? 100. Correct? Now, what are the question now we can see? What is the first question telling? First question, how many individuals are enrolled at least one of these classes? At least. What is the meaning that one at least? At least means either they are enrolled in chemistry or they are enrolled in physics. One of these courses they should enroll, at least chemistry or physics. Okay, or means what is the meaning? Union. So what we need to calculate? Number of chemistry union physics equal to how much? So that students either they are in chemistry class or in physics class. Okay, that is at least minimum, or both also possible. Now what is the second question? How many individuals decided not to enroll these two courses, not to enroll any of these courses? That means they are not enrolled in physics, they are not enrolled in chemistry. Correct? Not means complement. Correct? Not means complement. Okay, so what is the meaning this one, students? Not enrolled these two courses. Both enrolled students, what we are telling? Chemistry union physics. So chemistry and physics not enrolled means chemistry union physics complement dash. Number of chemistry union physics complement, both are not enrolled. Okay, not enrolled these two courses. So number of chemistry union physics complement. Now third one, what is the third question? How many students enrolled only in chemistry, not physics? Okay, only in chemistry. So number of chemistry students but not physics means minus p. Okay, so this is the third question. Number of students in chemistry but not in physics. So number of c minus p here. So these are the three questions we need to do. Now keep in our mind here, one number is given. Assume that 2000 students in the beginning. Assume that 2000 students. 2000 students means the full students in that. Okay, so that is we are calling number of universal set 2000. Okay, why we are telling universal set? Because all the students, okay, out of these students, some are registered in chemistry and physics, some students are registered other courses also. We are not mentioned here that courses, only we are mentioned about physics and chemistry. That is why we are taking that universal set. Okay, number of u equal to 2000. Okay, now let me answer one by one. First we go to the first question. Number of chemistry union physics. Number of chemistry union physics equal, we studied one rule, number of students in chemistry plus number of students in physics minus number of students in chemistry intersection physics. Correct? Number of A union B, we studied that rule, relationship between intersection and union. Now out of this we can apply the value. Number of students in chemistry, we are here 400, physics means 600, both means 100. So we are applying here, number of chemistry means 400, number of physics means 600, minus number of both means 100. So when we are subtracting, we will get 900 as the answer. Correct? This is the A part of the question. Now second part of the question, number of chemistry union physics complement. Correct? How to do this one, number of physics union chemistry complement? For example, you can see this is the universal set. Okay, now chemistry and physics taken student is this one. Chemistry union physics we are represented by a circle. So those who are not taken chemistry and physics means we need to calculate this portion, this shading portion. Correct? This is what our question, how much this portion. Number of students not taken chemistry and physics complement. Okay, so what you do for that one? Total number of students minus this chemistry and physics taken student, so that we will get it what are the students, who are the students not taken chemistry and physics, correct? So what we do, number of universal set minus number of chemistry union physics, correct? This circle we need to delete, other portion, number of u minus number of c union p. So what is the number of universal set? 2000 minus number of chemistry union physics. In first part we got the answer 900. So 2000 minus 900 means 1100, correct? 1100. Now let me go to the third part. What is third part? Number of students in chemistry only, but not in physics. Number of C minus P. So for difference also we are studied one rule. All of you remember in 3.1 section. Number of C minus P means number of C minus number of C intersection P. What is number of the chemistry students? It is given in the question, 400, minus number of both chemistry and physics is 100. So 400 minus 100 means 300. These 300 students, they are only taken chemistry. Okay, so this is what the third part of the question. Hope you understood this question. Now let me go to the next one. Write the vector v as a linear combination of the vectors u1, u2 and u3. Vector v is a we write as a linear combination of u1, u2 and u3. Okay, so we will do that one. Vector v is a linear combination of u1, u2 and u3 means, what is the meaning? Vector v equal to a scalar, a number x. I am taking x, multiply u1 vector plus another scalar y, multiply u2 vector plus z, another scalar, multiply with u3 vector, correct? You can take k1, k2, k3 also instead of x, y, z, k1 u1, k2 u2, k3 u3 also. Okay, so x u1, x u2, y u2 plus z u3. Now apply the v value. V value, what is the v vector? 0, 10, 5 equal x u1 vector 1, 2, minus 3 plus y multiply u2 vector is 3, 4, 1 plus z into u3 vector is 2, minus 3 and 4, correct? Now that means we can write 0, 10, 5 equals x multiply to each term, correct? X multiply 1x, comma, x multiply to 2x minus 3x plus, similar way here y multiply 3, okay, that is 3y, comma, y multiply 4, 4y, comma, y multiply 1y plus, here also same idea, multiply the outside number to inside the vector. So 2z minus 3z and 4z. That means what we can write, 0, 10, 5 equals, add the first numbers, first component, x component. So here x plus 3y plus 2z, x plus 3y plus 2z, comma, second components add 2x plus 4y minus 3z, comma, third components add minus 3x plus y plus 4z, correct? So what we got actually, this vector equals this vector, correct? That means what is the meaning? First component should be same as the first component. Here first component is 0, should be same as the first component here. Second component should be same as the second component. Third should be same as the third component. So we can write what is the first component there. You can write second component, right? Third component, right? First component is x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0. Second one, 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 10. Third component, minus 3x plus y plus 4z equal to 5. So we got a 3 equation with 3 unknown. It is a 3 by 3 system, correct? 3 equation and 3 unknown. From this you can find what is x, what is y and what is z. Okay, using calculator. What we do for that, press the mode button. After that EQN number 5. After that ANX plus BNY plus CNZ equal to DN, correct? That is equation 2 in calculator. Then just apply the behind number. First equation x behind number 1, y behind number 3, z behind number 2, constant number 0. Same second equation 2 equal 4 equal minus 3 equals 10. Third equation minus 3 equal 1 equal 4 equals and 5. Okay, so that you will get x number equal to, okay, for example minus 37 divided by 10 from calculator, y number 27 divided by 10, z number you will get minus 11 by 5. You can press equal to so that you will get the 3 numbers. Okay, so let me write here the x number minus 37 divided by 10, y number 27 divided by 10, z number minus 11 divided by 5. Okay, you can use the point number also, no problem. So what is the linear combination? We can write vector v equal x number minus 37 divided by 10 multiply u1 vector plus y number 27 divided by 10 multiply u2 vector plus z number minus 11 divided by 5 multiply u3 vector. This is the linear combination. Okay, x number, y number, z number calculate, apply to that linear combination. You can write vector v as a linear combination of u1, u2 and u3 vectors. Okay, if you want more question, you can go to 1.1 section recording and 2.2 section recording. You can see there this type of questions. Hope you understood this question. Now we will go to the last one. Use the Cramer's rule. Use the Cramer's rule to solve the following system of linear equation. Use the Cramer's rule to solve the following system of linear equations. X minus y plus z equal to 0, 4x minus 7y plus z equal to 1, 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 5. Solved by Cramer's rule. So for Cramer's rule, we need to write 4 matrices. First we need to write A matrix, then A1 matrix, then A2 matrix, then A3 matrix, correct? So what is A matrix? Just behind number matrix, correct? First equation x behind number 1, coefficient matrix, okay, x behind number 1, y behind number minus 2, z behind number 1. Second equation 4, minus 7 and 1. Third equation 2, 1 and minus 3, correct? Now what is A1, A2 and A3? A1 means column number 1 just replace with the constant matrix, this one, 0, minus 1, 5, that right side numbers. A2 means column number 2 replace with this number 0, minus 1, 5. A3 means column number 3 replace with these numbers 0, minus 1 and 5. All other columns same as the A matrix. For example here A1 matrix, second column same, minus 2, minus 7, 1, 1, 1 and minus 3. A2 means first column same as A matrix, 1, 4, 2. Third column same as the A matrix. A3 means first 2 columns same, 1, 4, 2, minus 2 and minus 7 and 1. Okay, only that corresponding A1 means first column change, A2 means second column change, A3 means the column number 3 change. All other same as the A matrix. Now just to calculate the determinant of these 4 matrix. Okay, that means first we need to calculate what is determinant of A. What is A matrix actually? 1, minus 2, 1, 4, minus 7, 1, 2, 1, minus 3, correct? Here it is mentioned 1 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 7, 1, 2, 1, minus 3. Now column number 1 and 2 repeat, 1, 4, 2, minus 2, minus 7 and 1. Here I am using the Saras rule for expanding the determinant. You can use the expansion by minors also, that is as per your easy way you can use. Now here how to do by Saras rule, as I told before questions, 3 bracket plus another 3 bracket minus, correct? Start from the top arrows from here, 1 minus 7 multiply minus 3, that is 21, minus minus plus, 1 multiply minus 7 multiply minus 3 means 21. Now here minus 2 multiply 1 multiply 2 means minus 4. Now here 1 multiply 4 multiply 1 means 4. Okay. Now the top arrows should be minus 3 numbers. So here I missed 1 bracket, as you know. Okay. When I write, I skipped 1 bracket. Okay. Anyway, here it is minus 4 and here it is 4. Now when we are going to the top arrow, you can see, start from here, 2 minus 7, 1, that is minus 14. Now here 1, 1, 1, correct? 1, 1 and 1, so 1. Now minus 3, 4 minus 2, that means that is 3 multiply, minus minus become plus, it will come 3 multiply 4 multiply 2 will get it, 24, correct? So totally when we are using calculator, you will get equal to 10, determinant A equal to 10. Now same way we can calculate what is determinant of A1 and determinant of A2 and determinant of A3 by using Saras rule. Okay, you can refer my recordings 2.6 section, many questions we solved there already. So like the same idea we are doing. So you will get determinant A1 equal to 30, determinant A2 equal to 20, determinant A3 means you will get 10, these 3 numbers. Okay, determinant A1, A2 and A3. Now we are going to write what is the solution. Solution is, what is the solution by Cramer's rule? X equal to determinant of A1 divided by determinant of A. Same, y equal to determinant of A2 divided by determinant of A. Z equal to determinant of A3 divided by determinant of A, correct? So what is the determinant of A1? We got here 30, correct? 30 divided by determinant A is 10, 30 divided by 10, so x equal to 3 we are getting. Now y equal to determinant A2, 20 divided by determinant A is 10, so y equal to 2. Z means determinant of A3 is 10 divided by determinant of A also 10, so Z equal to 1. So what is the solution here? X equal to 3, y equal to 2 and Z equal to 1 by using Cramer's rule. I hope you understood the Cramer's rule question. You can practice same models. So these are the roughly the review of the these 3 modules, 1.1 to 3.1. Okay, what are the ideas from each section? Some of the question I just reviewed here. I hope you understood the questions. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.